Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while and I really missed you. But as I promised in my previous video, I am here to announce the date of launch of my new website, helenadaydreamer.com. And not just that, there will be a few more things that I would like you to know. Some news, other news, well, new things. So let's start with the website, shall we? So my website, helenadaydreamer.com, will officially launch on the 25th of September 2021, which is this year, which is in 1 week. And it's not completely ready, but who cares? I will launch it anyway, because I just needed to set a date, and that will be the date. Otherwise, I would just keep postponing it because it would never be perfect. And I am a little bit of a perfectionist sometimes, and definitely in this case. So yeah, launching 25th of September at 2 p.m. of UK time, whichever time it is, wherever you live, okay? So that's the website. You can go on the website now. There is like a page, and you can browse, obviously, the site, and I wouldn't even recommend you to browse the site because it's really not ready. But there is like a little window where you can enter your email address, and I will notify you when the website goes live. So you'll be able to check it out straight away. So that's that. So you don't even need to write it down. You just enter your email address and that's it. We will email you and we'll let you know because we care. We care. I care. Like we. Who are we? We the queen. Oh my goodness me. So that's helenadaydreamer.com. Second announcement is a new YouTube channel, which will be dedicated to helenadaydreamer.com. I will be mainly posting vlogs and some, tips and tricks and bits and bobs regarding business and packaging orders, a bit of my personal life. I'm also going to be uploading launch days. So I am planning on filming the whole new launch of helenadaydreamer.com and then packing orders if I get any orders. Obviously not sharing any personal info, but the idea is to kind of keep it in that business spirit. Yeah, and you can really see my journey from the start to finish. Hopefully not finish, but the progress of helenadaydreamer.com or whatever is gonna happen. Who knows? I have no idea. I just hope for the best. So that's the other channel. It's already up, so you can go and subscribe there. Thank you very much. You can go there, or I don't know, what are they doing in the play? Okay, so that was helenadaydreamer.com. That was Helena Daydreamer Vlogs. And then I also started a new Instagram account, which is gonna be dedicated to helenadaydreamer.com. So it will be probably less about the actual tutorials, but more about products, giveaways, behind the scenes and bits and bobs like that. So if you fancy, you can go to Helena Daydreamer shop on Instagram and follow me there. And lastly, the most important thing, and that is me saying thank you for all your support you have shown me so far throughout the years, months. You have been absolutely amazing, and without you, Helena Daydreamer wouldn't exist. The YouTube channel wouldn't exist, because if you weren't enjoying my videos and if it wasn't inspiring you, there would be nobody watching the videos and I would probably end up not making them, and Helena Daydreamer just wouldn't exist. It's not just about Helena Daydreamer, the YouTube channel, and how it evolved into this new website that's coming up, and hopefully it will evolve into something bigger. Which is kind of my vision. And you can't even see me now because obviously I look like a ghost. I'm talking about Helena Daydreamer not existing, and now I look like a ghost. Oh my goodness me. I absolutely appreciate all the support you have shown to my channel and, you know, my videos and all that. And, you know, without you, helenadaydreamer.com would not exist. I would also, from the bottom of my heart, like to, again, thank you for being there and showing so much kindness and so much love in days when I was feeling really, really, really down. It's just been so overwhelming and I will never forget it, ever. So whatever happens on the launch day, what I just wanted to say is everything helps. Like, you have supported me for so long and so much, like by doing so many different things, and I appreciate every single thing. If you decide to buy from the shop to support me that way, then that's absolutely amazing. And if you decide not to, then that's absolutely fine. I still appreciate you, and you still mean so much to me, like really so much. And even if you are not even planning on buying anything, you can always just go and check it out, and maybe just read our mission story, because it is really quite important to me anyway. So yeah, whatever happens, I love you and I appreciate you. And that's it. That's how I would like to end this video. Take care and stay safe and healthy. Okay, bye. Bye. So exciting.